About half a hand distance is usually perfect for doubling up. Half a hand. Yep. You want to do a couple things here on a ledge this wide. You want to get the proper depth, proper width spike, which we're using the Dura Spike wide here. Extra wide would have been too much spike because we wouldn't have been able to really get 3 rows in. So, the Dura Spike wide is better than extra wide here because you want 2 solid rows. And you never want to have the spike too close together, or else the birds can drop nesting material on the spike, and then it defeats the whole purpose. Also, you want to go about half a hand or 6 inches from ledge to first spike, and then about the same distance from the first row of spike to the next row of spike, so that your spike is just about an inch inside of the final ledge on the outside. Again, a lot of guys make mistakes by putting the spike too close together, and man, next thing you know, in about a month or 2, those birds have dropped like nesting material, covered the spike, and now you've got another issue, and your client's not going to be too happy. Ooh. Keep an eye on that ledge here.